Hey, what is up? It's Hassan from OpenBox and welcome to another unboxing. Today we'll be unboxing and reviewing the SteelSeries Apex 5, one of its most attractive features, which is its amazing OLED screen. This is also a mechanical hybrid blue switch keyboard, and in my opinion the best keyboard I have tried to date. No competition. This keyboard is fantastic for gaming and typing due to its amazing actuation and on the keys, which is allowing the system to register even quicker than a normal keyboard. Now, one reason why I really love this keyboard is its amazing feeling when you type, and it does look really nice and the software is amazing. So straight into the box, there it is, the beautiful Apex 5. Now this is a really simple keyboard compared to the Razer Black Widow Elite, which has a lot of different features that are more advanced than this, but this is amazing for its money and does have quite a few great features too. So let's get right into it. Okay, so let's get right into it. Straight into the box, the keyboard is right in front of you and it has very simple packaging, so there is no complexity when trying to open this keyboard. Straight underneath it is the palm rest, which you just take out, which can be magnetically clipped onto the keyboard. It does have a palm rest, which is a rubbery feel, but I do not think it's as amazing as the Razer Black Widow Elite, which is a leather palm rest. Now let's talk about the switches. The switches are hybrid blue switches. They are blue switches, which means they are pretty loud compared to any other switches such as the greens and the browns. However, they are hybrids, which are not as loud, but they are pretty loud. Now they do feel amazing when typing, and I cannot say how much I love these keys on this keyboard. But one of the really weird features about this is the really high keycaps compared to the OLED screen, so it does not make it really easy to see the screen. Now this keyboard has a very ergonomic design and is very amazing. It does have fully programmable keys and a cable length of 2 meters. It also has 3-way cable routing and just weighs under 1 kg at 927 grams. It is a full-size keyboard, which is one of the features I like about this, as 60% keyboards are not doing it for me anymore. Now this is the most satisfying part of the unboxing, which is taking off the OLED screen and seeing what's underneath it. Straight away you just peel it off and you can enjoy this. Also, the RGB on this keyboard is very unique and is amazing compared to any other software I've ever tried, compared to Razer, compared to Corsair. However, this one is amazing, no doubt about that. There are a lot of different features you can try on the RGBs that are really cool to try out, and really default presets which you can of course try and put on.